Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Solid Biosciences announced that the European Commission granted orphan drug designation to SGT-003 for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. SGT-003 is a precision genetic medicine currently being evaluated in the Inspire Duchenne Phase 1/2 trial and the Impact Duchenne Phase 3 study. The designation further supports investment and development activity in Duchenne gene therapy programs. OSE Immunotherapeutics and Veloxis reported that the FDA granted orphan drug designation to pegoceprement, also known as VEL-101, for prophylaxis of heart allograft rejection in heart transplant patients. Pegoceprement is an investigational immunomodulatory monoclonal monovalent antibody fragment designed for transplant-related indications. Intellia Therapeutics initiated a rolling biologics license application submission for lonvoguran ziclumeran, or lonvo-z, in hereditary angioedema. The in vivo CRISPR candidate is intended as a one-time treatment for HAE, and Intellia expects to complete the BLA submission during the second half of 2026. The program could become the first approved in vivo CRISPR-based gene editing therapy if successful. The FDA Center for Drug Evaluation and Research proposed withdrawing approval for Tavneos, also known as avacopan, which is marketed by Amgen and ChemoCentryx for ANCA-associated vasculitis. The agency cited concerns related to effectiveness, safety, and alleged data integrity issues. The proposal introduces uncertainty around future prescribing, reimbursement, and formulary decisions. Sangrail Biologics launched with its lead program, SNG-101, an AAV9 gene therapy targeting MPS IIIB through NAGLU gene delivery. The company also reported Phase 1/2 and named patient experience, showing biomarker and functional trends in patients with Sanfilippo syndrome type B. Opus Genetics announced that the FDA accepted OPGx-LCA5 into the Rare Disease Evidence Principles Program. The gene therapy candidate targets Leber congenital amaurosis type 5, an ultra-rare inherited retinal disease, and the program may support early regulatory alignment for pivotal development strategies. Atossa Therapeutics received FDA Rare Pediatric Disease designation for Z-endoxifen in McCune-Albright syndrome. The designation may make the program eligible for a priority review voucher upon approval and reflects continued regulatory support for rare pediatric therapies. Satellite Bio received FDA Rare Pediatric Disease designation for SB-101, an off-the-shelf liver therapy being developed for severe early-onset urea cycle disorders. The company plans to begin a Phase 1/2 clinical trial during 2026. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@